Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create carousel animation on CreateStudio Pro. So let's get into my computer. First let me change the background color. Now let me add carousel from components. Now we have to change the images. You can add as many images you wish. See, our carousel is ready. You can change the image order by clicking here. As you can see, you have full flexibility to change the image orders. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. We'll see you in next tutorial.